Hello guys, we're going to be doing a quick assignment today. It's just going to be sales tax and discount. Now, I noticed a lot of people were still struggling with that during the test. And I just want to cover it again just to make sure that you guys fully understand what's going on. So I'm going to go over only 2 problems on this thing. Hopefully I can take like less than 5 minutes, but if I take a little longer, that's fine. I just want to give you the rest of the period to be able to do it. So, bear with me, it's been a long day, so I might be like getting stuck on my words and stuff. But let's look at problem number 1. I'm going to do problem number 1 and problem number 5. I'm going to leave the work on your paper. So if you see all the work, you're probably like, okay, he already did 2 problems. So you guys can probably already work the problem with that. But if you still are struggling, make sure you watch the video. So now I'm going to read problem number 1. It says, in a department store, a $40 dress is marked save 25%. What is the discount? And what is the sales price or the sale price of the dress? So I'm going to be separating this problem into 3 categories. First category is going to be turn my percentage into a decimal. So every time I have a percentage, sometimes I'm going to have to change it to a decimal, sometimes I won't. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So 25, I'm going to go ahead and divide by 100, which is going to give me 0.25. Okay, that's the first thing I want you guys to do. And problem number 2, number 3, and number 4 are going to be done the same way that I'm showing you right now. So it should be relatively easy and should look exactly the same for every single problem. Now, I'm trying to figure out what is the discount that's going to be applied into the dress. So in order to find that, I need the original price. And actually, I'm going to apply the discount to that. So we're going to go ahead and multiply by a 25%. Or 25%, which in this case is going to be 0.25. And what do I get? You're going to notice that you're going to end up getting 10 buckaroos. You're going to be getting $10 as your discount. Okay, so this is your answer for your discount. That's the first answer, discount. Now we need 2 different answers. So let me just highlight it for you guys so you guys can see. So 25% for your dress. We're looking for discount and we're looking for the sales price over here. That's all the stuff that's important for this problem. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and try and figure out what is the actual price I'm going to have to pay for the dress. So I'm going to get the original price. And because it's a discount, we're going to be subtracting. If we tax on something, we increase the price. If we have a discount, we decrease the price. That's how it usually works. So if you get tax increased, that means plus. Discount means minus. Okay, so I'm going to minus by the 10, which is the actual discount. So in this case, my answer is going to be $30. So the dress is actually going to cost me $30. And this is my sell price. Kind of nice, right? In this case, we don't have to worry about the tax because it's not getting applied at all. They didn't give us, oh, this is a tax rate. So we're not going to worry about that. So we just say we just paid $30 for the dress. That's before tax. Now, let's say you went to a store that doesn't charge tax. Now, most stores, they do charge tax. So you most likely will have to pay a little bit more for that dress. Now, like I said, 2, 3, and 4 are going to be done the same way. Now let's go ahead and look at number 5. Number 5, 6, and 7 are going to be done exactly the same way. So that one, so the start and what follows is how you do it. Now we're going to do 5. And I'm going to do exactly the same thing I did before. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do my first line. I'm going to do it all the way over here. So I'm going to get 7. Well, I'll read it for you guys first, but I'm going to write, I already see the prompts and everything. If the sales tax rate is 7.25% in California, then how much would you pay in Los Angeles for a pair of shoes that cost $39? So we're going to have to find the total cost. So we're going to do the problem just like we did previously. And I think a lot of people got confused because I was skipping. Technically, I was trying to skip a step just to make the problems a lot faster. But I think I should have gone over the entire process. So we're going to have 7.25%, which I'm going to have to turn into a decimal. Let me erase that one real quick. So I'm going to have to divide by 100. Once I divide by 100, I'm going to get 0.0725. And that's going to be my decimal. That's the first thing I want you guys to do. Now, just like the previous problem, we're going to have to figure out what is the tax that we're going to do. So just like the previous problem, I'm going to go ahead and do 39.00 times 7.25. Oh, what am I doing? No. We're going to pick this value. Well, the one right there. So it's going to be 0.0725. Now, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and grab my calculator because I don't know at the top of my head, and it's been a long day, so I'm tired. So times 0.0725. Now, you're going to notice I'm going to round to the nearest hundredth already, just so I don't have to worry about it later. So I'm going to get 2.83. Okay, I'm rounding. Because if you know dollars, they don't come less than a penny. So the penny should be the last thing that you have to worry about. So that's going to be the actual, let me rewrite this real quick. Let me put the money sign because then I'm a little OCD with stuff. So money is going to be 2.83. Okay, that's going to be my tax. And I'm going to put tax right here. Now I have to figure out my total price I'm going to pay, right? So the actual total price. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to write 39.00 plus 2.83. So boom. So 2.83 minus 39. Or the other way around. Oh, what am I doing? Not minus. We're doing tax, so it's going to increase. 39 plus 2.83. Your answer, I'm going to put it down here because I'm kind of running out of space. It's going to be your money sign. And it's going to be 41.83. Okay. That's going to be your answer for number 5. Number 6 and 7 are going to be done exactly the same way. You're going to have to change your percentage into a decimal, multiply that to the original price. Once you get the price of your tax, then you're going to go ahead and add that to the original price. Once you add it, you're going to notice that you're going to get how much you're actually going to end up paying. So for the pair of shoes, you would end up paying $41.83 instead of just paying the $39. Now, I'm not going to help you guys with the last 3, 8, 9, and 10 because I want you guys to try those out. Let's see if you guys can do it. They're kind of like a little bit more challenging problems, but they're kind of easy as well. They should technically be pretty straightforward. So just make sure you just finish the entire thing. You're already going to have the answers for all of those. So all you have to do is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You have the entire period to do it. Make sure you turn it in at the end of class.